Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from a long video. I just recorded 62 minutes video that covers a lot of markets. You will see me introducing those markets. One clip focuses on the US dollar South African rand and the other on the French market, the CAC40 index. I don't know how many of you are aware of a new introductory offer that I have set up on my website that would give you access to 1 full week of current videos. That is, every day you will see a fresh video, plus access to the entire archive of videos and charts. This is meant for people who are not very familiar with the service, have not had a subscription before, would like to try it. It is absolute peanuts money for the kind of information that I am sharing with you. It will give you, I think, quite a good idea of what the service is about. And given that we are now entering, in my opinion, a pretty volatile period that could become very profitable if you are placed on the right side with the right protection levels, and I'm discussing this every day in my detailed video. I think that you could benefit quite a lot from this introduction. If you are interested, I will talk to you again about it as the clips end. Please stay on. Other than that, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Yesterday was the most important day as far as the stock market is concerned, especially in the US, also in Europe. There is no question that yesterday was a pivotal day, in my opinion, giving us a substantial signal, the most serious signal that we have seen yet, that the rally is over, the rally that began in some indices since late July. The dollar rallied. I don't think we have seen enough to invalidate the bearish wave count that I'm using. Precious metals, same story. I don't think that they have turned around, meaning that they are going to continue with a huge bullish move. Oil, that's a sticky question. I think that oil is still fairly strong. It is likely to, in my opinion, trend higher and maybe one of the last ones to turn around. The bonds, that's the biggest question that I see here, and I'm going to address that from multiple angles, looking at bonds from different countries. And I'm not totally convinced that the bonds are going to soar now if the stock market is going to crash. I'm not 100% on that. I have my levels. I'm going to share with you the levels that I think will signal that the bonds are now going to run up, and possibly sharply, while stocks will be heading lower. So here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the US dollar Danish kroner, US dollar South African rand, British pound US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, gold, silver, palladium, light crude, gasoline, heating oil, euro bond, USD bond. That's the March 2011, the USD bond continuous chart. And then I have the 5-year notes, TLT, long yields, that's the continuous chart, long yields March 2011. And then I have a look at the Dow Industrial Average, Dow Jones Transportation Average. I'll have a look at the OX, that's the S&P 100. I'll have a look at the S&P Mini, the ES, March 2011. We'll take a look at the CAC40 of France, the FTSE 100 of the UK, and the DAX of Germany. Okay, let's begin here with US dollar South African rand. And I said to you yesterday I'm looking for a run up, and here we go. Boom. It ran up back to touch a very important overhead resistance level here. But it appears that there is more coming from this wave count that I'm using. I think that even though it might stall here for a while, I think it is likely to climb above the orange line. The daily goes back here to September 2009. And I've elaborated enough, I think, on the long-term picture here. Those who are interested, please refer to previous videos. I'll just take you quickly to the 60 minutes. We'll turn it into a line chart so we have a clearer, neat picture here. And this is the wave count I don't know how many of you took advantage of that, but that was a clear-cut triangle. I said to you, we're waiting for a shot. Here we go. That's confirming the wave count I'm using, and we may have slight continuation, or it will come down, consolidate here. If this wave count is correct, it will deliver another consolidation that appears like a triangle, and then another shot, and the move will be over the move that began from here. Okay, that is the daily of the CAC, and this one I've got to say yesterday, if you watched the video, I really got this one nailed right in. I nailed the top here. This is the daily going back to November. First thing, look, momentum going down while this one going up in a triangle. Crystal clear terminal situation. Crystal clear. We had it also in the case of the Dow Jones Transportation Average. This one was screaming top right here, screaming top. I hope you can recognize this in the future when you have situations like that. Look here. Look carefully here. Look at the momentum. This one was running up in a choppy price action, and this one was running down. And look what happened. Do you see? I hope that you recognize this in the future. You can detect these kind of things, and also in the intraday price action you can detect these kind of setups. This is a high probability break. At least it's going down here. At the very least, that's what the pattern says. But very long term, this pattern is projecting a much more bearish scenario, a lot more bearish than just a tiny drop here. If this is one away, two or B, the drop is going to come to retest the floor here. We're talking big numbers here. We're talking big numbers. We're talking about this market crashing through this level to deliver either a C. If the movement to, up is going to continue, it's not going to go that low. Of course, if it breaks through 3,000, I think it's going back to the floor. It's going to go way lower. We're talking about almost depression. Okay, let's go again to the daily. And let's go, in fact, to the 30 minutes. I've got to tell you that I'm pleased, really, that I managed to nail the top here. This is 30 minutes going back to the 24th of January. That's a triangle, and I told you yesterday, I said we even worked with a 5-minute chart. You remember? We had this. I said this could be first leg down, the very first leg down. That looks to me like the top. It doesn't take the top here. It continues down. It comes back to break the floor here. That's a top. And lo and behold, right here. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one says there is further continuation coming pretty soon. This is one of the indices, along with the FTSE, that suggests, also the DAX, that suggests Monday is going to see red ink immediately. There is not going to be serious bounce. Monday is going to go straight down. The market is going to open and go straight down. So take this into account if you are trading markets that are related to Europe. And also that's the case if you remember with the Hang Seng. With the Hang Seng, we also had a pattern that was calling for the market to continue straight down in a third wave. So it's pretty encouraging for the bears, all this. Hello again. If you like some further information about my website, my services, all you have to do is click on home at the page which you are right now. That takes you to the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. His testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy terms of use These are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that I run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.